In this video, we'll show you how to boost your productivity, master shortcuts, and discover little-known features that can transform the way you work. Ever find yourself typing out the same long phrases over and over again? It's not only tedious, but also time-consuming. A simple solution is using text replacements. Open System Settings. Go to your keyboard settings and click on Text Replacements. Here you can create shortcuts for those repetitive phrases. For example, typing this in the future, it will automatically expand to your full home address. You can also select all your text replacements and drag and drop them to a folder to export them as a plist file. You can also drag and drop a compatible plist file to this list to import text replacements. Next up, text clippings. Imagine having frequently used snippets of text like standard responses or disclaimers ready at your fingertips. Simply highlight the text you want to save, drag it to your desktop or a specific folder, and it's ready for future use. When you need it, just drag it back into your document. This drag and drop action integrates smoothly into your workflow. Now let's talk about Spotlight. It's not just for searching files on your computer. Spotlight is incredibly versatile. Need to do some quick math? Type it into Spotlight. Currency conversions? Spotlight handles that effortlessly. Units of measurement? No problem. It's a quick access tool that can significantly speed up your tasks. Let's dive into some screenshot mastery. macOS offers several flexible options to capture exactly what you need. For instance, press Command, Shift, 4 to capture a specific area of your screen. Want to capture a specific window? Press Command, Shift, 4, then hit the spacebar. This allows you to click and capture any open window. For even more control, press Command, Shift, and 5. This opens a toolbar with options for capturing the entire screen, a selected portion, or a specific window, and even screen recording. Now let's talk about Quicklook. It's an often overlooked feature that can significantly improve your efficiency. Select multiple files and press the spacebar to preview them instantly. This is perfect for quick comparisons and efficient file management, saving you the hassle of opening each file individually. But Quicklook doesn't stop there. You can click on the Info button to see detected subjects in photos. This feature allows you to look up information about the subject directly from your previews. Here are some enhancements and visual tweaks in Safari that can make your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. First up, pinned tabs. Accidentally closing important tabs can be frustrating. By right-clicking and selecting Pin tab, you can lock your essential tabs in place. This keeps them secure and always accessible, no matter how many other tabs you open. Next, a simple but powerful shortcut. Press Command and L. This quickly highlights the URL in the address bar, allowing you to type a new URL or copy the current link to clipboard. It's a real time saver when navigating to new sites or sharing links with others. A cool feature introduced with macOS Sonoma, adding websites directly to your dock. Navigate to a frequently visited site, then click Share and choose Add to the dock. This makes it incredibly easy to access your favorite websites with just a click, enhancing your workflow and keeping your most used resources at your fingertips. Next, the emoji panel. A quick and easy way to add some personality to your messages. Simply press Ctrl, Command, and Space to bring up the emoji panel. Now you can quickly browse and insert emojis into your text. Let's explore Content Lookup. This feature allows you to quickly find definitions, translations, or related information about any selected word. Highlight the word you're curious about, right-click, and select Look Up. Instantly, you'll get a pop-up with relevant information, making it easy to understand content without leaving your document. Finally, let's look at an easy way to convert image formats. This is useful for changing formats to suit different needs. Right-click on an image file, select Quick Actions, and then Convert Image. Choose the desired format, toggle Preserve Metadata if needed, and click Convert. This simple tool helps you quickly adapt your images for various uses, whether it's for web uploads, presentations, or sharing. We hope these tips will enhance your workflow and make your macOS experience even more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more tips, tricks, and in-depth guides, be sure to subscribe to our channel.